Hi students, good morning once again. And let's start with the doubts which you guys asked me on the part of WhatsApp group. And these doubts are the doubts of AP. So let's move now from the lowest most questions. This question was being taken till आप लोगों ने जो 11 या 10:30 बजे तक आप लोगों ने जितने भी जो क्वेश्चंस दिए थे ये वो वाले डाउट्स हैं. Out of them guys, question number 13, 12, 11 and 10 were actually from class 11th RD Sharma. So that's the reason why I think your doubts honge. But anyway, let's start with the lowermost question, and of course you will come to know at the end of the video that why I started the question from the lowest most rather than from the top. Okay, so let's start the question number 66 first. So question number 66 said that a spiral made up of successive semicircles. So ये successive semicircles हैं. Semicircles is something like this, right? With centers at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5, then 1, 1.5, 2 and so on and so forth. पहले वाला जो radius है that is by the way of 0.5. फिर उसके बाद में ये जो स्पाइरल है ये आपका बढ़ते जाता है and then it becomes 1.5, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 2.5, 3 and so on and so forth. So इसका मतलब है अब इन्होंने आपको बोला है आपको टोटल फाइंड करना है टोटल लेंथ ऑफ 13 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव सेमीसर्कल्स. मतलब आपको let's first of all write when they are talking about the word length of this particular spiral, length का मतलब हो जाएगा circumference. Circumference of the semicircle is 2 pi r upon 2, which means pi r. Why 2 pi r? Because circle का circumference होता है 2 pi r and semicircle का circumference होगा 2 pi r upon 2, which is pi r. So what is my A value? So A is pi into r. What is r? R is 0.5. Now guys, this 0.5 looks a bit shabby, so let's convert it into simple terms. So 5 by 10 is 1 by 2, so it should be pi by 2. Did you understand ये कैसे आया? ये मैंने यहाँ पर ऐसे किया 0.5 जैसे मैं लटेगा डिनोमिनेटर 5 1 से 5 5 2 से 10 पाई पहले से था तो 1 upon 2. Correct? So this will be pi upon 2. Then comes the second term. B should be equals to pi. What is r? R is 1. Change होते जा रहा है. So it should be equals to pi. What is the next term? Say let's write C. So C should be equals to pi into 1.5. 1.5 का मतलब होता है 3 upon 2. So let's write 3 upon 2. So that should be equals to 3 pi by 2. Like this. Okay. Now what is the common difference? So common difference or D should be equals to pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. What is N? N is 13 क्योंकि आपको 13 semicircles चाहिए थे. What is the formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now will you solve it? Very simple. 13 upon 2 bracket 2a. What is 2a? 2 into pi by 2. 13 minus 1 is 12 into what is d? D is pi by 2. Correct? So let's solve this. So 2, 2, 2, pi by 2, pi by 2 दोनों में तो 2 pi by 2 plus 12 pi by 2 is 14 pi by 2, which means 13 by 2. 2 pi by 2 and 12 pi by 2 is 14 pi by 2. That means 7 pi. So what do you think the answer should be? Very simple. 13 7 is 91, I guess. 91 pi by 2. Now you can put the value of pi if you want to. यदि इन्होंने given आपको दे के रखा है, it is 22 upon 7. Then put 22 upon 7. If you want to put 3.14, so you can put 3.14. So 91 upon 2 into 3.14 or 22 upon 7 and get the answer, guys. That's all. Got it? Let's now move forward. यदि आपको multiply करना है, guys, वो तो खुद ही कर लेना. Okay. So let's now move forward, guys. So this is question number 66. Piece of cake. Very very simple. Let's move on to the word question number 19. So let me rub the question. Why do you think, why am I starting this question from the lowest most section? God knows. Because ऊपर की question आते ही नहीं है मुझे. Anyway. No swear, I don't know actually for question, so I'm getting scared कि मैंने लिख तो दिया है बड़े प्यार से, and what if I am unable to solve the questions? I'm purposely trying to, Okay. Okay. Now, let's move on to question number 19. So we have done question number 66, guys. I've left on to the part of calculation. Please do the calculation by yourself. Question number 19th. Hopefully you can understand why am I starting the question from below. Technically, I require some space to work on. That's the reason why. Okay, now आप बोलोगे फिर ऊपर से प्रॉब्लम ये होता कि नीचे वाले क्वेश्चंस एज इट इज रहते हैं, आई couldn't have got space, linearly. What kind of theory is this? खैर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 पर आता है. Sn is equals to 5n square minus 3n. Find AP then 8n. Oh guys, come on. So what is now S1? Let's put जहां पे आपको n दिखाई देगा वहां पे पहले 1 पुट करो. So 5 into 1 square, 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1. So 5 minus 3 comes out as 2. Let's find S2. 5 into 2 square minus 3 into 2. So 4 into 5 is 20. 20 minus 6 is 14. Then comes S3. 5 bracket 3 square minus 3 into 3. It should be equals to 9 for the 45. 45 minus 9. 45 minus 9 is 45 minus 9 is कितना होता है guys? 36 होगा शायद. Guys, pardon me if I'm wrong somewhere, please. So they are asking you find AP and then A10. Guys, this is S1, S2 and S3. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था this is your A. अब आप सेकेंड टर्म कैसे निकालोगे? तो यहां पर लिखोगे सेकेंड टर्म should be equals to S2 minus S1. This minus this. So 14 minus 2 comes out as 12. What is the third term? Third term should be equals to S3 minus S2. So that means that 36 minus 14 is what? 36 minus 14 is once again 12. That's shocking. Kind of. A bit. Okay. Let me check once again, guys, that I have done some mistake. Oh, okay. 6 minus 4 comes out as 2 and 3 minus 1 comes out as 2. Now, guys, trust me. This was actually a mistake. This was not overacting. Anyway, so second term and third term you have already got, guys. You have already got A equals to 2. They're asking you to find the AP. So the AP will be, that is 2, comma 12, comma 22, so on and so forth, right? इस सीरीज का D क्या होगा? कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना होगा? 12 minus 2, which comes out as 10. Correct? So this is D. Now D should be equals to 12 minus 2, which comes out as 10. अब उन्होंने बोला है then find the A10. So A10 should be equals to A plus 9D. Guys, now you need to tell me in the comment section now how come this formula came over here. How come A10 is equals to A plus 9D? Okay. So now A10 should be equals to A plus 9D. So it should be equals to A. A is what? What is A? That is 2 plus 9 into D. D is 12 minus 2, which comes out as 10. So the answer is 90 plus 2 is 92. And that's all. So they're asking you find out the A nth term. So that is 92, guys. That's all. It's done. Fine. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. So I'm rubbing this question off. Okay. AP will लिखा हूँ. Okay, dokes. Now let's move on to the next question. That is question number 15. Okay, so Sn you need to find out the sum of the natural numbers. Guys, मैंने shortcut में लिख दिए आपके questions जो otherwise वो बहुत बड़े questions थे. Find out the sum of the natural numbers less than 100 which are divisible by 6. मुझे ऐसे numbers जो कि less than 100 है, 100 not included, which are divisible by 6. So what do you think should be the A? A should be 6, B should be 12, correct? What is the common difference? Common difference should be equal to 6 because 6 के टेबल में आते हैं, so 6 का ही difference होगा. Now guys, they are asking you which are divisible by 6. What is the last term? So the last term, if I divide, इसको करने का भी बहुत सिंपल तरीका होता है. उन्होंने 100 का बोला है, so 6 को डिवाइड कर दो 100 से. 10 minus 6 is 4, 40. 6 6 36. जो भी रिमाइंडर बचता है उसको इसमें से माइनस कर देना. तो 100 minus 4 comes out as what? 96. So that's the last number जो कि आपका डिवाइड होता है. 6 1 6, 6 6 36. Okay. So the last number is like this. So the series becomes something like this. That is 6. Then comes 12. Then comes 18. Then comes 24. 6 का table. 6 to the 12th, 18, 84. Dot dot till 90. And you need to find out now the sum. So you need to now find out the sum of these numbers. So then comes guys a equal to 6, b equal to d equal to इतना, and then l की वैल्यू भी आपके पास में आ चुकी है 96. 9 नहीं बन रहा मुझसे imagine. खैर, so 9. What is the formula? an should be equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. But why on the earth are we using this formula? We are using this formula to make sure that we find out that what is n over here. So n मुझे नहीं मालूम कितने नंबर्स आते हैं इसमें, तो यहाँ पर ये आ जाएगा a n के जगह पर let's write 96, a की जगह पर 6 plus n I don't know minus 1, d is 6. 96 minus 6 comes out as guys 90. It should be equals to n minus 1 into 6. Dividing this guys, this will be 15 equals to n minus 1, or guys n should be equals to 16. And guys, it's a common sense question. Think about it. Find out, no, it's not common sense. Why? Because we need to find out Sn. I thought केवल n निकालना है. Here. So guys, S16, Sn का formula हो जाएगा n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or it should be equals to n is, what is n? N is 16, 16 by 2 is 8, bracket 2a, 2 into 6 is 12, plus 16 minus 1 is 15, into d comes out as 6. So guys, this will become 8, 12, 15 into 6 comes out as guys 90. So 90 plus 12 is 102 into 8. 8 to the 16. 816 guys. Remember they are talking about the word less than 100, so you are not supposed to cross more than 100. That's all would be the answer guys. That's all simple. Okay. Let's move forward. So question number 15 is done. Oh, this, where's the other tester gone? Other tester is either way no good. Okay. Let's move on to the word. Now 14, question number 14 पर आता है. Okay. So question number 14th. Sn, you need to find out now the sum of the natural numbers between 100 and 500 divisible by 7. So the number should not include 100, should not include 500, and it should be divisible by 7. So 7 को यदि मुझे 100 से करना होगा तो guys once again the same trick I am going to use. 7 ones are 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, 30, 7 fours is 28. So it is 2. Now common sense guys, this time आपको 100 के आगे का नंबर चाहिए ना कि पीछे का. तो आप इसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज यदि आपने 100 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 98 आएगा which is divisible by 7, but the problem is that that particular number is not in between 100 and 500. तो यदि आपने वही ट्रिक लगाया 100 minus 2 भी आपने किया तो it comes out as 98, और guys 98 plus 7 कर दो तो you will get your first number and which comes out as 105. So guys the value of A is 105. 500 से पहले कौन सा नंबर है जो डिवाइड होता है? सो अगेन लेट्स डू द सेम ट्रिक. 500 7 7 is 49 guys, 1 10, 7 is 7 guys, 3, whatever the remainder is इसमें से minus कर दो, so it comes out as 497. And guys, overconfidence में मत रहना, please check कर लो whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Common sense, 7 7 are 49, 7 are 7. So that means that number is divisible. So what is the last number? So 105 के बाद में next number कौन सा आएगा? 105 plus 7 is 112. What is common difference? Common difference is 7. What is the last number? Last number is L or AN. It should be equals to 497. Okay. Now, okay, so ये हो चुका है. अब they are asking you sum of the natural numbers. So पहले अपन को n निकालना पड़ेगा. So an should be equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, or 497 should be equals to 105 plus n minus 1 into 7. 105 को पहले माइनस करोगे. 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 0 9, 4 minus 1 3 upon 7 should be equals to n minus 1. 7 is 7, 7 5 is 35, 442, 7 6 is 42. So it will be 56 should be equals to n minus 1, or n should be equals to 57 guys. So n की value आ चुकी 57, but that's not what they have asked for. They have asked for Sn. So S57 should be equals to n by 2, 57 by 2, bracket 2 into a. So 2 into a is 210, 2a plus n minus 1, 56 into d. What is d? D is 7. So let's solve it. 57 by 2 guys, again and again, don't cut this 2 with this. Okay, bracket hai. So 210 plus 7 6 is 42, 42 2, carry 4, 35 and 4 is 39. So it should be 57 by 2, bracket 2 0 4 5 6 392 492 592 and 602, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0 2 1s are 2. So 301 into 57, 301 into 57, 7021 5015 75171. So answer is 17157. Okay, so that's done. So guys, हर एक में एक ही काम करना है आपको. जब भी कभी n निकालना हो तो this is the way. Let's now rub this question. If you want to see this question, then see it. Okay. So question number 14 is done. Now guys, time हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ. ये सारे टफ वाले क्वेश्चन है, मैं नहीं करना. It's like so typical questions. Who gave this question to you? Don't worry, I'm solving. Don't worry. Now, question number 13th, guys. Why not before we solve question number 2? That's so simple. 13th करें. So let's solve 13th. Okay, so now I've got a lot of space right from over here. So let's start the question right from over here itself. Okay, so question number 13th is written right over here. So I'm not writing the question again. Now this time, understand, don't get boggled up with the question as in, sir, what exactly is this question? जो आपको आता है पहले वो समझो. उन्होंने आपको दिया है AP is equals to 1 by Q. मतलब A nth term 1 by Q है, बस n की जगह पर P लिखना है. So what is the formula of AN? AN का formula होता है A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? But they have already given you AN की जगह पर उन्होंने AP दिया है, तो यहाँ पर AP की जगह पर आपने लिख दिया 1 by Q. It should be equals to A की जगह पर A plus n की जगह पर P minus 1. क्यों? Because उन्होंने P बोल के रखा हुआ था. And I don't know what is D. Let it be equation number 1. What is the equation number 2 now? अब AQ उन्होंने बोला है 1 by P. So 1 by P should be equals to A plus q minus 1 into d, because this time they are taking the series to the not to the n level, to p level and to q level. अब वो क्या है मुझे क्या मालूम, and how does it really matter? Now there are these two equations, linear equation in two variables, use elimination method, minus minus minus. So a and a will get cancelled, तो यहाँ पर आएगा 1 by q minus 1 by p should be equals to, यहाँ से मैंने d दोनों में से कॉमन निकाल दिया तो अंदर बचेगा p minus 1 minus q साइन चेंज plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. So यहाँ पर आपके पास में LCM आ जाएगा, which is going to be p minus q upon pq should be equals to d bracket p minus q. Common sense guys, this p minus q will go in the denominator and will get deducted with this. So d की वैल्यू कितनी आ चुकी है? So d should be equals to 1 by pq. But right now we need to find out a also, so let's put it in the back in the equation number 1. So substituting in first, so what you will get is 1 by q should be equals to a plus p minus 1 into d. What is d? It's 1 by pq. Correct? So let's bring each and everything over here. So 1 by q minus p minus 1 by pq should be equals to a. So let's solve it. So this will become pq minus p plus 1 upon pq. समझ में आया क्या किया मैंने? q एंड pq का एलसीएम pq लिया, q से q गया, ऊपर आएगा p, ऊपर p आएगा ना, राइट। q एंड pq का एलसीएम इज pq, q से q वाला पार्ट कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो p into 1 will become p minus pq से pq कैंसिल, it will become minus p plus 1 because ब्रैकेट ओपन कर दिया। p, what happened? I'm sorry. So guys, p and p will get cancelled, so ultimately a should be equals to what? It should be equals to 1 by pq. So that means a and d are both the way same. Now what are they asking you? They are asking you proof that spq equals to 1 by 2 into p plus q. What is spq? spq के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है n by 2, जो भी यहाँ लिखा होता है वही नंबर आता है, n by 2 ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n minus 1 into d. n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the value of a and d over here. So pq by 2 bracket 2a, oh sorry, what is a? 1 by pq. So it will be 2 by pq plus pq minus 1. What is d? It's again 1 by pq. Can I take out something common outside? Of course I can take 1 by pq outside. पहले से ही बाहर था यहाँ पर pq by 2 into मैंने 1 by pq मैंने बाहर कॉमन निकाल दिया, तो अंदर क्या बचेगा आपके पास में? 2 plus pq minus 1. pq and pq will get cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2 bracket 2 plus pq minus 1 is pq plus 1. Okay guys, so sorry. Why sorry? Because I had to actually pause the video to check because the LHS was not matching with the RHS. So I thought that maybe I've written the question wrong. But the sheet said that the question is right, so I checked it on the net and our answer is right. That means जो sheet में जो question लिखा हुआ था, that is being misprinted. So the proof has to be PQ plus 1. You can go and actually check it on net also. So it is the same part. So this would be the actual proof. Okay. Now let's move once again to the next question. So this is question number 13 done guys for you. Let's move now on together. So let's move on to the question number 12 now. Today's video is going to be a bit more longer, or else if some of the question would be still remaining, because it's already, I guess, 35 minutes now. So, or 30 minutes, God knows. So if, by the way, some of the question would be left out, so I'll try and complete this, then I'll cover up in the next video. Now let's see question number 12. SP is equals to SQ. So prove that SP plus Q should be equals to 0. As usual, the same part. SP should be equals to formula P by 2 bracket 2A plus P minus 1 into D. Okay, so SP should be equals to P by 2 bracket 2A plus P minus 1 into D. That is the formula, that is N by 2 bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. And they are saying SQ, so SQ should be equals to Q by 2 bracket 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. Now according to the condition, they are saying SP plus Q, आपको prove करना है it should be equals to 0, but before than that they are saying that both of these equations are equal. If they are equal, then that means P by 2 bracket 2A plus P minus 1 into D should be equals to Q by 2 bracket 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. Correct? Because according to their condition, they are saying that this is equal. I am not saying. So let's see. By 2 and by 2 will get cancelled because दोनों के नीचे denominator में 2 था, multiplication में था. यदि मैं cross multiply भी करूँगा तो of course they'll get credit. So let's open up this part. So this is going to be 2AP, 2A into P is 2AP plus P minus 1 into dP should be equals to 2AQ plus bracket Q minus 1 into dQ. Then now I am trying to bring this particular part over here. So ये जो आपके पास में 2AP था, 2AP I am bringing this part to the LHS. So minus 2AQ should be equals to, then comes this particular part will go at the right hand side, it will convert to negative. So this will become Q minus 1 into dQ minus bracket P minus 1 into dP. Okay, so I'm now doing this question over here. So 2A taking out common outside, so अंदर बचेगा आपके पास में P minus Q should be equals to, इन दोनों में से भी मैंने D कॉमन ले लिया है बाहर, and this time I am not even taking D, I am taking minus D कॉमन outside. You will come to know now why. यदि मैंने minus D बाहर कॉमन लिया तो अंदर बचेगा P bracket P minus 1, and then वहां से मैंने यदि minus D लिया तो वहां में माइनस साइन आ जाएगा, तो माइनस ब्रैकेट Q minus 1, Q into Q minus 1, Q into Q minus 1. This is going to be the part. जब भी कभी आपको डाउट हो चेक कर लो, minus dP into P minus 1, that is minus dP into P minus 1, and minus into minus is plus, so plus dQ into Q minus 1, plus dQ into Q minus 1. So 2A bracket P minus Q should be equals to minus D bracket, यहाँ पर आपके पास में है P into P will be P square minus P minus Q square plus 1. Correct? Minus Q, sorry. Minus Q into minus 1 is plus Q. Okay? Now 2A bracket P minus Q should be equals to minus D bracket P square minus Q square को मैंने एक साथ लिख दिया, जस्ट मैं टर्म्स आगे पीछे कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन बाहर कॉमन निकालूंगा तो अंदर बचेगा P माइनस Q, ये इसमें से और इसमें से, इन दो टर्म्स में से. So to be this, close the bracket. 2A bracket P minus Q should be equals to minus D. Now guys, यहाँ पर आ चुका है P minus Q into P plus Q. Why? Because it is the formula minus bracket P minus Q. Guys, can you take out something common outside from this bracket? Of course, you can take p minus q outside. So it is going to be 2a bracket p minus q. It should be equals to minus d. Then comes bracket p minus q common taken outside. Bracket under p plus q minus 1. P minus q will get divided over there, so it will get deducted. So this is going to be 2a should be equals to minus d bracket p plus q minus 1. So 2a should be equals to minus d bracket p plus q minus 1. Let it be like this. Let's say equation number 3. If this is your so-called equation number 1 and equation number 2. But that's not the end of the question, because somewhere they are saying that prove sp plus q equals to 0. So what actually is sp plus q? So sp plus q का formula क्या बनेगा? It should be equals to p plus q by 2 n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1, that is p plus q minus 1 into d. Correct? So that's the term, guys. So let's put this part. P plus q की जगह पर मैंने p plus q ही रहने दिया, upon 2 की जगह पर upon 2 ही रहने दिया, ब्रैकेट की जगह पर ब्रैकेट 2a की जगह पर I am now putting minus d bracket p plus q minus 1 bracket close plus d bracket p plus q minus 1. If you will see this, guys, दोनों के दोनों terms absolutely same है, so they'll get cancelled it out, and this is 0, so anything multiplied by 0 will give you 0. So hence we have already proved that sp plus q should be equals to 0. Now ये क्वेश्चन देखने में of course काफी बड़ा आपको लगेगा, काफी गंदा भी लगेगा, but guys believe me, आप यदि ढंग से देखोगे, इन्होंने बोला है sp, हमें फॉर्मूला कौन सा आता है sp का, and that is sp equals to p n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. बस वैल्यू पुट करते जाओ, जो जो बोला है उसमें उन्होंने बस करते जाओ, अपने आप आंसर आता है, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, लेट्स नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th and then question number 10 and question number 2. Guys, let's do question number 2 and question number 10 first. 11th is huge, bulky, pretty lengthy question. बहुत 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 लंबा question है. So we'll do it at the end, and then because I'm more concerned about the uploading part, guys, and since going to take time, and you know, as soon as the video actually crosses the limit of 30 minutes, the GBs or the data which needs to be compressed would take around, you know, more than 40 and 50 minutes, and I'm not a pro at all these softwares, so honestly I do it in a pretty basic fashion. So let's rub question number 12. So I am first of all, guys, going to solve this question number 2 and question number 10, and then I am going to solve question number 11. So question number 2 is a simple question. So it says 25 plus 28 plus 31 plus dot dot 100, and आपको sum निकालना है. So A should be equals to 25, B should be equals to 28, common difference should be equals to 28 minus 25 is 3. Last term or AN or the last term is given to you as 100. आपको मालूम है जब भी कभी लास्ट टर्म या an दिया होता है तो you need to find n. So an should be equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. an की जगह पर मैंने रखा 100, it should be equals to 25 plus n I don't know minus 1 into d is 3. 100 minus 25 comes out as 75, it should be equals to n minus 1 into 3. 3 will get divided to 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, it should be equals to n minus 1. Or 26 should be equals to n, guys, that's all. So n की वैल्यू आ चुकी है कितनी? 26. Now but they are asking you find the sum. So S26 should be equals to n by 2 bracket 2a, 2 into 25, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 25, 26 minus 1 is 25 into d, and d is 3. So let's solve it, guys. 22 by 26 is 13 bracket 50 plus 75. So 13 multiply by 125. So let's multiply this. So 125, 13, 15, 5, carry 1, 6 and 1 is 7, 3 ones are 3, cross 5, 2 and 1, 5, 2, 6, 1, 1625. 15, 5, carry 1, 6 and 1, 7, 3 and 3, 5, 2, 1, 5, 12, 2, 1, 4, 6, 1, 1625. So, guys, कहीं पे कोई गड़बड़ी हो तो please बता देना याद से 1625. So that's all is the answer. Let's move on to now the question number 10th. I really doubt that I've got time. Or guys, I'll do one thing. Because of the time constraint, we have already solved around I think 7 or 8 questions. But the videos, the size is going to be much more larger. So I'm going to complete now these two questions tomorrow. And if you've got any other doubt from that particular sheet, you can add up today also on the WhatsApp group. So remember guys that you need to remind me once again for question number 10th and 11. They are still incomplete. And I'll see you in the next video guys. Today there's not going to be any video furthermore because this video was too long to compress. Thank you guys. Enjoy and bye. See ya.